Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this tool. Zenario offers a fascinating approach to knowledge management. Imagine a system where your notes aren't just static entries, but dynamic nodes in a vast interconnected web. That's essentially what Zena provides. It allows you to link your ideas, concepts, and resources in a way that mirrors the way your brain actually works. This non-linear structure facilitates deeper understanding and fosters creative thinking. One of the key features of Zena is its bidirectional linking capability. This means you can not only link to other notes, but you can also see what notes are linking back to your current note, providing valuable context and uncovering hidden connections. Think of it as a personal knowledge graph that evolves and grows with your learning. Zena also excels in its handling of various media formats. You can seamlessly embed images, videos, PDFs, and even web pages directly into your notes, creating a rich and multimedia-enhanced learning environment. This is particularly useful for researchers, students, and anyone who works with diverse information sources. Beyond individual use, Zena also supports collaborative workspaces. Teams can share and develop knowledge together, fostering a more dynamic and interconnected workflow. This collaborative feature makes Zena a powerful tool for teams engaged in research, project management, and brainstorming. Another noteworthy aspect of Zena is its focus on visual representation of knowledge. The platform leverages graph visualization tools to map your interconnected notes, offering a bird's-eye view of your entire knowledge base. This visual approach can help you identify patterns, uncover relationships, and gain new insights into your thinking process. Finally, Zena recognizes the importance of data portability and offers various import and export options. This ensures that your valuable knowledge remains accessible and transferable, even if you decide to switch platforms in the future. Zenario presents a compelling alternative to traditional note-taking apps. Its focus on interconnectedness, multimedia integration, collaboration, and visualization makes it a valuable tool for anyone seeking to enhance their knowledge management and unlock their creative potential.